In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Whether you already have a drop-down list set up or you're just getting started, I'll guide you through the entire process with ease and clarity. So let's jump right in. First, let's locate the drop-down list you want to add some splash of color to. If you haven't created one yet, don't worry. Simply choose a column where you'd like to insert a drop-down list. Once you've identified the column, right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, look for the option labeled Drop Down and give it a click. This action will initiate the setting up of your drop-down list. As you do this, a panel labeled Data Validation Rules will slide in smoothly from the right side of your screen. This is your command center for editing drop-down options. When this panel opens up, you'll notice a list of choices that you can include in your drop-down list. The default setting presents each option alongside a simple grey color. It's effective, but perhaps not the most visually striking or helpful if you're aiming to differentiate options quickly at a glance. To transform these default greys into a vibrant array of colors, all you need to do is click on the little grey box next to each option in your list. A palette will pop up, presenting a variety of colors. Select whatever color best matches your intention for each option. You might want to use green for approved, red for denied, or any other scheme that suits the data and context of your sheet. Feel free to be creative or keep it functional. The choice is entirely yours. After you've assigned colors to each option in your drop-down list, take a moment to review your choices. It's crucial to ensure that the color coding truly represents the data effectively and remained consistent with any other similar lists in your sheet or across your documents. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, look towards the bottom of the panel and click the Done button. This will save all your changes and apply the new color settings to your drop-down list. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to enhance your drop-down list with colors, turning it into a more user-friendly and visually appealing tool. This small custom touch can significantly improve usability, especially in large sheets where quick and accurate data interpretation is key. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to apply your new skills to make your Google Sheets not only functional, but also visually engaging.